Ever wonder how to make your computer uniquely yours on the network? Let's rename your PC or laptop in just a few simple steps. First, we need to access your system settings. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Start menu, that little Windows icon usually found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu is open, look for the gear-shaped icon. This is your settings icon. Click on it to open the Windows settings window. Inside the settings window, you'll see a few different categories. We're interested in the system category. Go ahead and click on System. Now, scroll down the left-hand sidebar until you find About. Click on About. This page gives you an overview of your device's information. And right near the top, you should see your current device name. To change this name, locate the button that says Rename this PC or perhaps Edit Device Name. Click that button. A small window will pop up, allowing you to enter a new name for your computer. Type in your desired new name. Keep it something easy to remember and identify, especially if you have multiple devices connecting to a network. Once you've entered your new name, click Next or OK to confirm the change. For the new name to take effect, your computer will need to restart. You'll likely see a prompt asking you to restart. Click Restart now to apply your new device name, and that's it. Your PC or laptop now has a personalized name.